Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Liberian fried rice. First, ensure you have day-old rice. This is key for the best texture. Gather your mixed vegetables, such as peas and carrots, and your preferred protein. Chop 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a small piece of ginger finely. Prepare your protein by cutting it into small, uniform pieces. Now let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large wok or pan over medium-high heat. Add your finely chopped onions, garlic, and ginger, stirring constantly for about 2 minutes until they become fragrant. Next, add your prepared protein, cooking it until it's fully browned and cooked through, ensuring no raw spots remain. With your aromatics and protein ready, push them to one side of the pan. If necessary, add 1 teaspoon more of oil. Now, add your mixed vegetables, stirring them frequently until they are tender crisp, retaining a slight bite. Finally, add the day-old rice, breaking up any clumps with your spatula to ensure even distribution throughout the pan. For the grand finale, it's all about seasoning. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a generous dash of black pepper to taste. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring all ingredients are well combined and heated through. This ensures every bite is packed with flavor. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.